Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. It's the time of year for sniffles, flus and colds. So today I'm making fire cider tonic. Fire cider tonic is for when you're feeling under the weather, when you have colds and flus, for sluggish system, or just when you're feeling low. Lemon for vitamin C and for flavor. Pepper helps you to sweat. Others have used cayenne pepper. I prefer jalapenos. Garlic is a natural antiseptic herb. It fights viral infections and warms the blood. Ginger is good for the immune system. It keeps the circulation going. It's a heat-producing herb. Horseradish opens up the sinuses, aids in headaches, sinus infections, and digestion. The turmeric or turmeric is one of nature's most powerful inflammation fighters. It not only fights aches and pains in the joints, but it fights brain fog too. Research has shown that when the brain is inflamed, memory formation and recall both suffer. Sterilize your jars. This is not a laxative. If you're always cold and slow, this will pick you up and warm you. Put onions. Garlic. Jalapeño. Rosemary. Organic vinegar with the mother enhances the flavor. It's good for the entire family. It breaks down and extracts the remedies, the good properties from the herb. Do not throw this out. I use it in my salads, in my sauces, and my meats. Honey coats the throat. It's a preservative and it is soothing for inflamed tissues. Dosage: 1 to 2 ounces daily. It can be taken straight or diluted with a little water or apple cider. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.